Assalam-o-alaikum friends. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a QR code on MS Word. So let's start the video, but before that don't forget to subscribe my channel. And for this process you need Microsoft Office 2016 or 2019 version. So I have installed 2016, so let's get started with it. You just need to go here. I have already made one. So firstly go to insert tab and here click adds in. And here click get ads. And in the store just search here QR and here search, and here QR4 add, continue, and here now you have to insert the link of your channel or a website. So I'm going to insert this, my channel link. Just paste it here, and then you can change its size. So click insert here. Guys, I've made our own QR code scan. QR code. You can scan it from your phone and QR code scanner. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you like this. So if you like this, thumbs up and also comment this on this video. Thanks for watching.